You've done it again. Same argument, same procrastination, same 11 p.m. scroll session you swore you'd stop last month. It's not a lack of willpower. It's not because you're lazy. Your brain is literally running a program. And today, we're going to open it up and see exactly why it keeps hitting replay.
Every repeated behavior in your brain follows the same three-step loop: a cue, a routine, and a reward. The cue is the trigger, a time of day, a feeling, a place. The routine is the behavior itself, the thing you do on autopilot. And the reward is what your brain gets out of it: relief, pleasure, distraction from discomfort. Here's the part most people miss. Your brain doesn't care if the routine is good for you. It only cares that the loop worked before. If checking your phone reduced boredom once, your brain will file that away as a solution and offer it to you again and again and again. This loop isn't happening in the part of your brain that makes conscious decisions. It's stored in a deeper region called the basal ganglia, the same area responsible for things like tying your shoes or driving a familiar route without thinking. That's actually efficient design. Your brain wants to save energy, so once a behavior becomes a loop, it hands it off to autopilot. The problem is, autopilot doesn't distinguish between brushing your teeth and doom scrolling at midnight. Both get treated the same way, as solved problems that don't need conscious effort anymore. This is why willpower alone rarely works. You're not fighting laziness. You're fighting a system built specifically to run without your permission. So, how do you interrupt a loop that isn't even asking for your input? 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the cue. Most people try to fight the routine directly and ignore the trigger. But if you don't know what sets off the loop, you'll keep getting ambushed by it. For a few days, just notice. What time is it? Where are you? What did you feel right before the behavior started? Step 2. Keep the reward, change the routine. Your brain isn't attached to the specific behavior. It's attached to the outcome. If your loop is stress leads to snacking, the goal isn't to eliminate the reward of relief. It's to find a different routine that delivers the same relief. A short walk, 5 minutes of music, even just stepping outside. Step 3. Repeat it in the same context, on purpose. This is the step people skip. A new routine only becomes the new default if you run it in response to the same cue, consistently, until your brain files it as the new solution. This usually takes weeks, not days. And that's normal. Your brain isn't broken, and you're not failing. You're running a loop that was built for a reason. You just never got to choose it consciously. Now you can. If you want to actually map out your own loops, I'll put a simple worksheet in the description. And if this helped make sense of something you've been stuck on, subscribe. Every week on Mindloop, we're breaking down exactly how your mind works, one loop at a time.